What is up guys, Dan at the side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable Windows Defender. So first, you need to press the Windows key and then you need to search for settings. After going to settings, here on the left side, you will see privacy and security option. Simply click on that. After that, click on Windows Security. After clicking on Windows Security, click on Virus and Threat Protection. After that, you just need to scroll down and then click on Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. After clicking on manage settings, you need to turn both of these toggles off. And after that, here you will see the option to turn yes. Just simply click on yes. And after that, you will see the Dev Drive Protection. Turn this toggle off too to disable your Windows Defender. I currently don't want to disable the Windows Defender. That's why I didn't turn them off. But if you want to disable the Windows Defender, you can turn both of these toggles off and then the Windows Defender will be turned off. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.